Every job posting is different. So you rewrite, copy paste, tweak formatting over and over. What if you could just paste the job description and get a perfectly tailored one page resume in seconds? This is Resume Craft. Let me show you how it works. When you sign up, you start by building your master profile. You can upload an existing resume, PDF, or DOCX, and we'll parse it for you automatically. Or you can start from scratch and fill everything in manually. This is your master profile, the single source of truth for every resume you create. All your experience, skills, and projects live here. It's fully editable. Update a bullet, add a new role, fix a typo, changes autosave instantly. Think of this as your complete career document. Every tailored resume you generate pulls from here. Now, here's where the magic happens. You found a job you want to apply for, give your resume a name, paste in the full job description, and optionally add instructions to guide the AI, like emphasizing certain skills or experience. Hit generate, and Resume Craft analyzes the job description, matches it against your master profile, and builds a tailored one page resume. Just like that. A resume tailored to this specific role, pulled from your real experience, formatted, and ready to go. Pick a template that fits your style, all clean, all ATS friendly. Switch anytime, your content stays the same, only the layout changes. See the spacing control? You can condense or expand whitespace across the entire resume instantly. Tighten things up to fit more content, or open it up for a cleaner look. And if the resume is still too long, one click, fit one page, and it's trimmed down perfectly, no manual fiddling. We'll come back to how this actually works in a moment. It's smarter than you might think. Want to know how strong your resume is? Run an AI audit. You'll get a score and specific actionable suggestions like adding metrics, strengthening weak bullets, or improving your summary. And you can do the same thing on your master profile. When you're ready, export to PDF, clean, ATS friendly, and always free. Every bullet in your resume gets a relevant score based on the job description. When you click Fit One Page, the system uses a smart selection algorithm. It starts by disabling the lowest scoring bullets first, the ones least relevant to this specific job, until the resume fits on one page. But you're in control. See a bullet you absolutely want to keep? Lock it. And that bullet will never be removed, no matter what. You can also toggle bullets manually. Want to make a bullet stronger? Click the sparkle icon. You can add instructions like make it more concise or add metrics and get an improved version instantly. Same idea for your professional summary. Generate one from scratch or refine what you have. And cover letters, generate one tailored to this job in one click. Back on your dashboard. Every tailored version you create can be found here. Filter by status, sort by audit score or date. Each resume has its own application tracker. Update the status as you move through the process. Add notes from interviews. Set a next action so you never miss a follow up. ResumeCraft is free to start. The builder, templates, PDF exports, application tracking, all free, no credit card required. You even get welcome tokens to try the AI features right away. For power users, Pro is $9 a month, with a monthly token allowance for unlimited AI generations, audits, and enhancements. Paste your first job description and see the difference. Start building for free at ResumeCraft.